Yeah, that's what she said this morning. She'd be tearing the paper off. Just what I wanted.
Can I help?
Are you using your knife?
Yeah, open the
Where's
present.
Lily?
I don't know. I think she's watching TV or something.
Oh, thank you.
What is it? That's just what I wanted. Yeah, put her knife away.
Okay, let's put that up there. Good job. Aren't you going to open
Are
the
you going
box?
to open the box?
The box right there.
The box is over
What
here.
was in it?
I just got so many things I don't know where.
What is it? Oh, it's pajamas.
Are
Oh,
they soft
wow.
and fluffy?
Good.
Hey, you know what? They're exactly like your mom's pajamas she had on last
like
night.
those ones Mommy wore last night.
With the little monkeys.